Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the Kraftgeek variable tripod. So, I've been using it now for a little bit more than a month now, or a little bit less than a month now. So let me give you guys my honest opinion about this Kraftgeek variable tripod. But before we start, disclaimer, Kraftgeek did send this out to me for free for an honest assessment. They are not sponsoring this video. They are not paying me to say anything good or bad about the product. They just send me a product so they can have honest feedback from a professional. So, Kraftgeek, if you listen to this, I want you guys to understand, this is not trying to hurt you or try to bash a good brand that you are. But there are some caveats. Let me show you these caveats. One, everybody, if you look at the ball head's neck, it is absolutely crooked. This wasn't molded correctly. This has some effect on my horizon, which is not good when I'm doing video. My horizon should be level. I should not be tweaking around with this because they accidentally did not mold this correctly. And you can literally see how it is literally tilted. You can see how tilted it is. But that's not the only problem I'm having, ladies and gentlemen. The problem I'm having also is that when I use the flex grip, it works, but there's a caveat. The flex grip likes to, be too flexible, where the phone would slip out. The phone, literally, without a grip, it would slip out of the grip of the flex grip. That's another problem I'm having, but I'm right now recording with the flex grip on my S22. But I'm also having issues with the hot shoe. When I'm using this hot shoe, I cannot properly tighten things down to this tripod. Things come off and slip off. I have demonstrated that on Instagram, how this hot shoe can be better. The ball head for this tripod can be better. The Bluetooth on this could be better. And that's another problem I'm having. I feel like the magnetics is not that strong. It just comes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third time with the Kraftgeek. The Bluetooth keeps coming off so easily. Mind you, I was just walking down the street and I bumped someone and it literally came off. When I put it in my backpack, it comes off. This is a very, very unsettling experience. Like, if you pay money for this and you lose this, this is it. You can't get another one. So, Kraftgeek, the magnetism needs to be improved. It's not up to par. It's not 5.3. I feel like this feels like a 4.0 Bluetooth device. But, so, these are the cons that I've been having with the hot shoe, the ball head, and the Bluetooth. Now, don't get me wrong, everyone. It does work and it does function, but I would like to have a product without these caveats, these problems with the ball head being tilted and messing up with my horizon as a videographer, as a filmmaker, as someone that has literally press of New York City, Washington State, Oregon State, California State, the state of Wisconsin, even New York. I just feel that this it's only meant for people traveling, loggers, not professional loggers. No, I would rather use a gimbal to log my experience. But other than that, everyone, the tripod works. I like how that the feet has an extension that you can extend it out for more balance and stability. I like how the fact that it is actually the perfect tripod to grip and to absolutely carry with you and put this in your bag. So let me demonstrate a traditional tripod. You see this tripod? This is the Sunway Photo T1C30N carbon fiber tripod. This is decent carbon fiber tripod. But when I grab onto it, you can see that it doesn't feel comfortable. But this is comfortable. This is more ideal. You see how it grips the hand? This is much a better function tripod for everything that you do versatile. So, if I was to make judgment on the Kraftgeek's variable tripod selfie stick, I would rate this a 3.5 out of 5. And the reason why I'm rating a 3.5 out of 5 is because, one, hot shoe doesn't allow me to lock things properly. It just slips out. Bluetooth, magnetized, it just comes off very easily in the backpack. It doesn't function correctly. You have to restart your phones half the time. And third, the ball head, it is not accurately, as you can see, like I said, it is not accurately on the best horizon level. This is not giving you correct horizon levels. So I think Kraftgeek needs to make sure that all the ball heads here are aligned where you don't have to figure this out. So now I have to tilt this. This is what I gotta do. I gotta tilt this like this in order to get my horizon correctly, everyone. And that is not ideal. You see how I have to tilt it in order to get the horizon correct? Or like, I have to literally mess with this. And mind you, when I'm logging, I kind of want to be a professional when I'm logging. I think there's a professional category with logging. And if I was going to put this in a category state, I would recommend this as intermediate product, not a professional product. I say this because even though it's good, it has very good functionalities, and it's stable, it's small, you can fit in any backpack. But Bluetooth, hot shoe, ball head, you need to fix the ball head, you need to fix the hot shoe. There should be like some type of twist lock mechanism so you can latch it and then you can twist things on. And if you want to turn it, you can turn it, and then you can clip something where you can lock it in place, and then you can clip this on and tie down ball heads. But other than that, everyone, it's a functional tripod. I think that you should go try to give it a chance yourself. Like I said, I rate this a 3.5 out of 5. I'm not going to give it a 4.0 score, no, because it doesn't reach to that point. But if this ball head and hot shoe was working, it would have got a 4.0. But Bluetooth, hot shoe, flex mount, and this ball head kind of doesn't work ideal. So this is my honest assessment. So take it with a grain of salt. I'm the Panda Photographer. You know me as Kiki Alexander Deninci Bailey. I want to say thank you to Kraftgeek for sending this out for an honest assessment. So, like I said again, I'm not sponsored by the brand. I'm not getting money. I'm not getting anything free other than this tripod and the flex mount. But other than that, everyone, this has been my experience with the product. So take it with a grain of salt. Please do subscribe, like, and share. You guys want to support the channel, there's other links down, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, to support the channel financially as we are facing some homelessness right now. But other than that, everyone, I leave the links down to this product down in the descriptions below. But with that said, eat, sleep, technology, tripod, Kraftgeek, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.